Namaskar, my name is Jawad Ahmed, an NRI engineer working in oil and gas industry here in Abu Dhabi, UAE. I am one amongst the NRIs who were supporting for the cause of Jan Lokpal leaps and bounds since around 2011. It is largely because all the NRIs wanted to see India become corruption free so that Indians too enjoy the same level of development the NRIs are experiencing abroad. Later on, when Aam Aadmi Party came into existence, I supported it as well, mostly because I was excited by the ideologies of making India corruption free by incorporating the Jan Lokpal Bill, transforming India into true democracy, that is, a Swaraj, and replacing the conventional traditional politics by an alternative politics. I was supporting you, I was following you, I was praying for your success, I was donating for you, I was making others to donate for you as well. I was preaching the spirit of Anna Andolan and AAP to other NRI colleagues. I have actively participated in calling campaign of Aam Aadmi Party for convincing Delhi voters to vote for AAP. And I did all this just because I had a hope from AAP to make India corruption free, bring the real and participatory democracy, and replace the traditional politics with the alternative one. When the AAP formed the government, I was appraising the government performance by threefold promises: the Jan Lokpal Bill, the True Swaraj, and the alternative politics. Unfortunately, you seems to be dishonest about all three. As someone said rightly, power tends to corrupt, and absolute power corrupts absolutely. When it comes to Jan Lokpal Bill, during the Anna Andolan, you were always preaching for a bill independent of political glitches, right from the appointment of Lokpal to removal of the Lokpal and also to the functioning of the Lokpal. But unfortunately, Delhi's Jan Lokpal bill in its current form is very much controlled by politicians in power. When it comes to alternative politics, you have miserably failed here too. And this can be justified by the incidents of supporting Grand Alliance in Bihar poll, despite of knowing the fact that its partner were having a corrupt background. You supported the Grand Alliance. I never expected it from Arvind sir, but unfortunately you did it. Why? Maybe because you were eyeing to form the great Grand Alliance for 2019 general elections. By supporting the alliance, you have proved that you are as good as any other traditional politician and the AAP is as good as any other conventional political party. Where has gone the ideology of alternative politics? How are you different from others? When AAP was formed, India never was in dearth of conventional politicians and the conventional political parties. We never wanted to add another traditional politician in the form of Arvind Kejriwal to the pool of existing traditional politicians. When it comes to true democracy, you have failed to implement it too. This is justified by the fact that you started sacking whomsoever was talking about mismanagement in the party. You sacked even the party internal Lokpal. When I read your book Swaraj, I had a great hope that you will walk the talk, but you proved me wrong. Thank you and Jai Hind.